My name is Sam. I am a boy. I am 9 years old. I live in a small house. The house is in a quiet village. The village has green trees and a blue river. I live with my mother. My mother is kind. Her name is Mary. She works hard. She cooks food. She helps me. Every morning I wake up. The sun comes in the window. Birds sing. I eat bread and drink milk. Then I go to school. At school, I learn numbers and letters. I have friends. But one thing is hard for me. I cannot run fast. In the playtime, the other children run. They run quick. They play ball. They laugh. I run slow. I feel tired fast. I stop. I sit and watch. I feel sad. I think, I am not good at running. I cannot play with them. One day, after school, I tell my mother. I say, "Mother, I cannot run fast. The other children run better." Mother looks at me. She smiles soft. She says, "Sam, every day a little. You can get better. Try a little every day." I say, "How?" Mother says, "Start small. Run a short way, then rest. Do it again tomorrow." I listen. I feel a little hope. The next morning, I wake up early. The sky is light. I go outside. The grass is green. The air is cool. I run from the house to the big tree. The way is short. I run slow. I feel my legs. I feel tired, but I reach the tree. I rest. I breathe. Then I walk back. I do this every morning, every day a little. Day 1, I run to the tree. Day 2, I run to the tree again. Day 3, I run a little faster. Some days I feel strong. Some days I feel weak. One rainy day, the ground is wet. I slip. I fall. My knee hurts a little. I sit on the ground. I feel sad. I think, I cannot do it. Mother comes. She sees me. She says, "It is okay, Sam. Rest today. Tomorrow, try again. Every day a little." I rest. The next day, the sun is out. I try again. I run to the tree. Weeks pass. I run every morning. The way to the tree becomes easy. Mother says, "Now run to the river." The river is farther. I run. I stop 2 times, but I reach the river. The water is clear. Fish swim. I feel happy. I rest by the river. Then I walk home. Every day a little more. At school, the children still run fast. I still run slower, but I do not stop so quick. I run longer. One boy is my friend. His name is Leo. Leo runs fast. Leo says, "Sam, you run better now." I say, "I try every day a little." Leo smiles. He says, "Good. We can run together." We run in the schoolyard. Leo runs fast. I run slow, but I keep going. One day, we play ball. I run to catch the ball. I miss it. I feel bad. Leo says, "Try again." Every day, a little. I try again. I catch the ball one time. I feel hope. At home, I tell Mother. I say, "Mother, I catch the ball today." Mother hugs me. She says, "See? Every day a little. You grow." More days pass. Summer comes. The sun is hot. I run in the morning when it is cool. Sweat is on my face. My legs feel strong. I run to the river and back. No rest. I feel proud. Autumn comes. Leaves fall. Red leaves. Yellow leaves. I run on the path. Leaves move under my feet. Winter comes. Cold wind blows. Snow falls. I still go outside. I run a short way. My breath is white in the air. Some days I do not want to run. I feel tired. I stay in bed. Mother says, "It is okay. Rest, but try again tomorrow." Every day a little. I try again the next day. Spring comes. Flowers grow. Birds sing loud. I run with new energy. One day at school, there is a small race. The children run from the gate to the big tree. I stand at the start. I feel nervous. My heart beats fast. The teacher says, "Go." The children run. Leo runs fast. Others run fast. I run. I run as well as I can. I do not come first. I do not come second, but I finish the race. I do not stop. Leo waits for me. He says, "Sam, you finish. You are better." I smile big. I feel happy. After the race, I run home. I tell Mother. I say, "Mother, I finished the race. I run all the way." Mother smiles. Her eyes are bright. She says, "I am proud. Every day a little made you strong." I feel warm inside. Now I run every day still. Some days I run fast. Some days I run slow. But I run. I play ball more. I catch the ball more. I laugh with my friends. One evening, Mother and I sit in the garden. The sky is pink. Soft wind moves the leaves. I say, "Mother, I was slow. I felt sad. Now I feel hope." Mother says, "Yes, Sam, growth is slow. Every day a little." Hope grows too. I look at the trees. I look at the river far away. I think of all the days, the short runs, the falls, the rain, the snow, the tired legs, the small winds. Every day a little. I am not the fastest, but I am better. I am stronger. I have hope. At school, Leo and I run together. Other children join. We play, we laugh. On free days, I run to the river. I sit by the water. I watch the fish. I feel calm. Mother cooks my favorite food. We eat together. We talk. She says, "What will you try next?" I say, "Maybe swim." Every day a little. Mother laughs soft. She says, "Yes, start small. The village is quiet and green. The house is warm. My legs are strong. I learn that big change comes from small steps. Every day a little running. Every day a little hope. Every day a little growth. I am Sam. I can do more now. I keep going."